What's going on, everybody? Welcome back here to the channel. So Ethereum is experiencing a big surge, and it has to do with a few key elements we're going to talk about in this video, guys. Finally, we're seeing Ethereum move, and right now moving ahead of Bitcoin in terms of 24-hour gains and even weekly gains. Ethereum has been kind of stuck for a while. You know, we popped up to 4K back in March. We've been kind of stagnant, sideways action, $2,500, give or take, for a little while. But now we're finally starting to see Ethereum rise. We're up over 3K, and I think it's just the beginning. Just yesterday, the final close, we saw a record in inflows into Ethereum ETFs. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, we are extremely early when it comes to Ethereum and these ETFs. We've seen what's happened with Bitcoin over time here, and it's only a matter of time, I think, until we see that with Ethereum. I want to give you guys kind of this perspective, though. Most people understand what Bitcoin is, right? Store of value, digital gold, this kind of narrative. A lot of people still trying to figure out what Ethereum is, what it brings to the table, why are smart contracts so important. And as these institutional investors get more and more knowledge, get more and more information surrounding Ethereum, we're going to start to see more and more capital, I think, flow into Ethereum ETFs. Ethereum is by no means done, right? Solana's had its run, Sui's had its run. We've seen a ton of layer ones move, but there is still one 800-pound gorilla in the room, and that is Ethereum. And it is still that way until proven otherwise, right? So at the end of the day, you know, ETH is slowly but surely making its way. And I think as these institutional investors come in, and by the way, we've got an environment now, we've got a president in the United States that's crypto friendly. We've got a solid environment for altcoins to run, and we're already seeing it. But I think it's just the tipping point right now. We're just beginning to see where we're going to go. You know, a lot of people calling for 10K Ethereum at some point this cycle. I don't know. Who knows, right? But my bags are packed. And what I try to do is I try to look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. How much of the market do they make up? Roughly. Roughly, they make up about 75%. I want about 70 to 75% of my portfolio in Bitcoin, in Ethereum. Followed shortly thereafter, I've got a big bag of Solana now and a lot of Solana plays because meme coins have been so hot. Other than that, I'm heavy into Kaspa and Sui as kind of my new picks, right? Cryptos that haven't really seen the bull run. So you're slowly but surely seeing how I'm allocating myself. And then of course, I'm diving into some of these other, you know, key areas like RWA, like AI, like gaming, right? Very big on big time and Superverse and WAGMI in the gaming area. Got some other infrastructure plays. So yeah, whether it be gaming, AI, RWA, meme coins, I'm allocated there as well, but I want to be situated in a position where I'm heavy into Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? And at the end of this cycle, I think I'm going to be glad I did that, because if you over leverage yourself and over risk, you know, investing in all of these speculative plays, a lot of times it's hard. It's hard because if you don't have that backbone in your portfolio, you don't have the ability, I think, to take true risks, right? Knowing that you have a backbone in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I've built this up over 3-4 years. So depending on where you are in your journey, maybe you're still trying to do that, right? Build up that portion of the portfolio. Now you can take risks and know that even if it doesn't pan out perfectly, you're okay. And it makes it way easier to take profits, right? Because you're not trying to hit these home runs. You're okay hitting doubles and triples even with your altcoin plays. So that's kind of my pulse on the market right now, but I don't think Ethereum's done, guys. I think Ethereum is going to continue to perform extremely well as we roll into 2025. Again, as more and more money starts flowing into these Ethereum ETFs, more and more people start figuring out what exactly Ethereum brings to the table. And, you know, it's just that season, right? Just generally, we're going to get into an altcoin season, an environment that is more risk on now with the president of the United States being Donald Trump and just slowly coming out of these inflationary times. All of this is playing into, I think, a major run for ETH, and it's about time, right? We've been waiting for a really long time. So give me your guys' thoughts down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Very grateful for you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.